Alright y'all, here's my upcoming project. This here is a 1648 Jon Boat modified. It's actually a 1648 MT. It's not a true flat bottom because it has like a V in the front, which is the modified bow. You can see it under here. There you go. You can get a good idea of the modified transom there. But the cool thing about this thing, yes, it needs some work. It actually was a sneak box for duck hunting, and it was covered by like 1,000 pounds of plywood and fiberglass that I had to take off. It was up in the mountains in the middle of the woods, but it was free. That's the catch, and it had a title to it. So you can't pass up a free 1648 boat. It took me about 5 hours to get all the plywood and fiberglass off the top, load it onto my landscape trailer right there. And my other project is this boat trailer. Yesterday I put on the new trailer jack, swing jack. I didn't get to video it unfortunately because it was really nasty weather out. But anyway, and I put on this new winch to be able to crank it up. I also, this was using salt water, so they had the old bunk adapters right there, right there, right there, right there. They're completely rusted into bits, kind of like you see the springs and the U-bolts there. So I ground them off, wire brushed everything down. Now it's pretty clean, so sand it up a little bit. I'm gonna replace those U-bolts over there. Also bought new hubs because you can see they are totally rusted. I mean, it's the metal's so rusted it's flaking off like pieces of paper. You can get a good look at that. Look at how rusted that is. Hopefully the axle isn't rusted through. I don't think it is. It looks all right. I'll clean up the springs, get new U-bolts. I already got the new bunk risers. And one trick of the trade, I know everybody's goes back and forth between what they want to use for their decking, for the framing of the deck. Well, we all know that aluminum, Jon Boats are made of aluminum, of course. And of course aluminum is strong and lightweight, so it definitely makes the best framing material, but it is expensive. So one little trick, get yourself some old extension ladders like I have here. These are going to be my framing for my 1648 Jon Boat to Vass Boat. They were free on the side of the road, both of them. One's a 28 foot and the other's a 24 foot extension ladders. You can't go wrong. Check them out. Look at that. Perfectly good material. I'll be able to frame 2 boats with these ladders. So the boat, a 1648 Jon Boat, free. That's easily a $1,500 boat. Trailer, $50. 2 aluminum extension ladders, free. All I have to do is cut them to size for whatever the size frames I'm going to be building are. And we are in business, boys and girls. So we're in the end of January here, and fishing season will start in about a month and a half. So by early March I'd like to be done. So I'm going to bring you guys along for me on this project. Going to be a beautiful conversion. Shout out to Tiny Boat Nation, Mike Lopez. You guys have been doing your thing. I've been rebuilding Jon Boats for almost 20 years, and this is going to be one of those yak killers, as my homie would say. Only 1648 with the old, this is an old jet ski trailer. You see the Sea-Doo? So I got the new hubs gonna go on, new bunks gonna go on, got the new winch, got the new double wheel swing jack on. Just got a wire brush the tongue here, the ball joint, to clean that up a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna paint the trailer or not. Aside from the non-galvanized areas that rusted, it's actually in pretty good shape. So I don't know, I may paint it, I may not. Definitely gonna paint the boat. I'm thinking like a green, like a emerald green with a gray carpet. But anybody has suggestions, feel free to chime in the comments below. So if you want to join me on these projects going forward, subscribe to my channel and come along for the ride. So, alright guys, tight lines to you, Tiny Boat Nation, get at them. Fishing season's almost upon us, so let's get these Jon Boat conversions to bass boats cracking. Alright y'all, one love, peace from the real life. Bird out.